See, I have worked for long in different jobs. Recently, I've worked somewhere where I was not paying appreciate. I was doing my best, I was putting on the hours, being calm with my boss. I wasn't being upset, I was just being, my boss was just acting up, being treated like that. And then I had this feeling, like, normally I was already towards, heading towards, but then I just had this completely different feeling. Everything was just pushing me to do something completely different, do one particular thing, just completely different. A new step in my life, in my career, everything. So I did it. First of all, let me address the elephant in the room. I don't know how to do it, but you get what I'm saying. To do it. So, jobs are not fun. Like, I have been working. I started working since when I was 12. When I was 12, because now I'm 17. 5 years. I have 5 years experience. I mean, I've been working for long in jobs. In a lot of jobs. I've done different jobs, bricklaying, carpentry. Total, I've done 9 jobs. Yes, 9 jobs in different places, different fields. And throughout all of them, I've been hoping. I've always been thinking that is my boss, is the person I'm working with, my colleague, or it's just the salary, or it's just the transport, or just the time I'm using there. But it never gets better. I figure it never gets better. Even though if I found that, even though if I like eventually get that big job that is bringing big money and everything, I won't get satisfied because I'm somehow I've somehow figured that jobs are not for me. It's not for me. I've tried. I've tried for long. I was even planning that till next year before I would do like a completely job drop and everything. But I don't know. So I don't know how. I don't know why. But I was actually planning, like I said, I was actually planning to do this stuff I'm doing now, this quitting myself. I was actually planning to do it next year when I've saved up enough of money, let money like as if I'm going to run off with my wife or something. So I was already planning. I don't already have enough. I was already planning enough money. I was getting Samsung phone for me. Or also. I was actually planning it next year, but for some reason recently, I've been feeling not feeling like there's something else I'm supposed to be doing. Like this and I'm doing isn't like right. There's something else I'm supposed to be doing. Everyone should really talk about the entrepreneur stuff that how you know you're meant to be an entrepreneur. I've watched a lot of stuff. That's just been directing me that this isn't for me. And then I now learned about this skill. And I found out about this skill. This skill aligns with my like passion, part of my passion and my strengths and stuff. And it's easy to learn. And I can make billions from it, bro. Billions. That's like, why do I learn this? Like, it was just compounded efforts, like a lot of stuff just pushing me. So you know what I did? I called my boss. I told him, yo, Aso. No, I not tell him Aso, I'm kidding. Don't tell him Aso. I told him yo. I'm not telling him you too. But just I was on to tell him, yo, I quit. I was like, okay, I'm like, yeah. Do you know that that thing I did is they affected me now because I'm not collecting extra language for last month. He's asked, I don't know what's wrong with him, doesn't want to pay next line because of what telling us to tell him, blah blah blah. But never mind that. So let's get to the sweet part of all this. What I said. But real quick before we move on, I want to sponsor this video. I want to give you cash. I want to give myself cash though. Sorry. So the thing is that I learn a lot every week. A lot from chasing my dreams. Some from business, finance, love, relationships, blah 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 blah. But I can't like make a video about everything. I can't make videos about everything. Even on my news even I can't even write about everything on my newsletter. But my newsletter is where I just like calm down and write the stuff out of my plain heart and stuff towards you. Sometimes these videos are structured and it comes someone removes the life, but I don't know how best to put it. But over my newsletter, I share my progress. I share my progress towards my goals every week. I also share the top 10 I learned that week, and I also give advice, teach a lesson every week. So if you want access to all that insights on chasing your dreams, from chasing dreams, on getting better, this, that, blah, blah, click the link below to join, to sign up, to subscribe, to join, blah blah blah. So I started the skill. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The only thing is I'm just scared that I should not go and run bankrupt because I still have little saving from what I was saving to I said I was saving to run off with my wife, stuff like that. But I think it was not really I was saving, so my savings is not that much, it's just a little bit. Only thing I have to spend money for now is on data. I just watch tutorials, practice because the skill isn't much of, it's not money with them. So I've been mostly living on it. So I said that I'm living in super. So what I'm learning is copywriting. What is copyright? Okay, imagine there's content writing. It doesn't release, but I just want to use this or whatever. There's content writing. It's really sorry. There's content writing. Content writing is writing to inform somebody. Or like all this stuff you see on blog posts, I say how to do this, how to do that, how to blah blah blah. That is content writing. Copywriting is writing to persuade somebody to take action. Content writing is writing to inform. Copyright is writing to make somebody take action. Like either click a link, join something, buy something, all this sort of stuff. And that's what it is. And businesses pay a lot because I don't know if you'd have seen all those your emails and stuff where you see somebody write blah 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 blah. We copyright are the people that actually it's not that write all those scammy, spammy stuff in email. No, no, no. We write what we like directly. We like informatively in this way with which pitch a product and tell you the benefits, how it will help you, blah blah blah, blah whether it's really useful for you and stuff. That persuades you to buy something like that. So I'm not pitching I'm not pitching my job and everything, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. So, as I said, I started and loving it so far. I've been acing. I've written my third copy. I'm very good. I joined the community where they review our copies and give us advice and stuff. I've been learning, I've been growing, and I'm loving it. Sooner than later, I will be done with the like course I'm doing, and I'll start outreaching. Outreaching is more like acting for reaching out for jobs and stuff, all the stuff. So, no worry, I have it practically figured out. Just pray for me. Anyhow you can do it. I don't care. Just fucking pray for me. So the key takeaway from this video, like every other video, not to be doing key takeaway stuff. The key takeaway is that if you are doing something and it doesn't seem to be working out, like me, I was just doing job, working for people and stuff. If you are doing something and it's probably not working out, it's either two things. Either that stuff is not meant for you. It doesn't matter how hard you fucking try, bro. Please don't worry, I'll change my tongue. I need to stop talking all this PG 18 stuff. So it doesn't matter how hard you try. Doesn't matter how hard you try. If it's not meant for you, it will never work. Like just keep on, you just keep on failing and falling. That's the one thing. It is either that the thing is not for you, or two, you're not you're not trying to get better. You're not good at it or something like that. How would I say this? Um, you're not getting better. You're not trying to get better. So you're not good at it. So that's the second thing. And if you're not good, if it's that you try to get better. I mean, I've tried to get better. I've calmed down my high temper stuff. Of course, I'm my high temper. I've been a lot calmer. I've even learned how to talk to customers. A lot of good things I've learned. Because I've also worked at the shawarma place where you do shawarma and sell to people where you see a lot of people gather and stuff. I've done a lot of stuff. Customer service, this thing I've done it. I've gotten better. A lot of place, but still the shit doesn't stay. So if you are doing something that isn't sticking, it's either that it's not working well, it's not meant for you, or you're not doing your best to get better. So just try. Try to learn, get better. If it isn't, or if you feel like you're having this push that it isn't for you, do what is for you, or do what aligns better with you. See, please, if you also have had this push, like something was pushing you, like has it been was telling you to do something better, do something greater, blah blah blah. So if you have had this push, like you are just supposed to do something different. Please let me know. Did you actually go through it? Did did it change anything in your life? Really? And now I've done some of this. It has changed my life for you because I was once going to technical school where I was learning garment making. That's like sewing stuff for ladies and stuff. Sewing stuff for ladies and stuff. So actually it because it didn't align with me and I learned computer. And now this computer directed me towards my passion. The thing I love the most. It has worked for me. It's the best thing in my life for you. The only thing that's the real thing I'm working for right now. Everything I'm doing right now is just to achieve one main goal, which is to become a game developer. That's the main goal. I love it so fucking much. So I did it and it changed my life. It changed my life. So I want to know, you too, have you done anything? Have you like directly yourself towards something that you feel this for you, everything directing to go there? Have you done it? And if you did, when you did it change your life? Did it direct you towards something quicker? For me, that's let me know. I want other people to see that and do that. It works. It's actually good. It's not a bad thing. It might seem scary. It was the most scary thing for me to come out. I was like telling I'm quitting. I mean, where the fuck am I to be getting money from? You know the money I'm getting, I'm not even spending. I'm not even earning it. It's just so fucked up. It's not up to nothing. So please let me know in the comments. Hmm? And also, I'll be seeing you later. Remember to be yourself and have fun.